Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just to let you know that we will be doing a Stephen and Walter Live today, Sunday, April the 15th at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. What are we going to talk about today? We got a lot of things actually today to discuss, quite a wide variety of things actually, and I have a concern that I also want to bring up with you, or just an idea I'm thinking about, and I just want to bounce it off some of you. So that's today at 4 o'clock. We have no place to go because we're basically iced in. We're having an ice storm where I live, and it's been going on since yesterday. So right now it's freezing rain, ice pellets. It looks like winter outside even though it's April 15th. So we'll talk a little bit about that today too, especially for some of you who've never experienced something like this. You might find it kind of amusing. So anyways, that's today, Stephen and Walter Live, Sunday, April 15th at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.